this represents your love to me, but I don't like it. Nobody wants to tell their partner that. I'll link all the products below because I'm just going to be talking through this video. Got engaged on Thanksgiving around loved ones and family. It was really nice and heartfelt, and I'm just really excited about it all. I didn't think that I was going to be a traditional bride and have like a big wedding and you know, all the things, but once you start to really look into it and all the details that go into a wedding, and you just get really excited. And I did get excited, and now we're having like a full blown out wedding. Wasn't originally the plan. I don't know why. I kind of just thought I would elope. Yeah, we're doing the whole shebang now, and we do have a date. We are getting married this year. It's gonna be on October 11th, so actually just a couple weeks before my 30th birthday, which is crazy to say as well. I feel like I have a lot of big life things going on this year, which is really exciting. You know, just going through life and changes and big moments happening. I feel like this is one of those years for me. So I do already have a wedding dress. It was the very first thing that I bought, and I really didn't even know what I wanted to go for. But I feel really excited and happy about what I chose. I feel like it's definitely me, and it's different in terms of what you're seeing today, like what the modern bride is wearing. But I feel like my style has always been classic with a twist. So I do feel like it is a classic with a twist, and it's gonna fit in perfectly with my personal style. So I'm just really excited to wear it and take pictures and do all the things. We are gonna have like an outdoor wedding, and a tent is gonna be involved. Ever since I've thought about getting married, if I was gonna have a wedding, I did envision a tent in my wedding. So I'm really excited that we are gonna have that aspect as a part of ours. We're getting married in my hometown here in, well, not in North Carolina because I'm not from North Carolina, but in South Carolina. We haven't done much planning yet though, just because it's February right now and the wedding's not till October, but we do have our first planning meeting with the venue at the end of this month. And another really cool thing about this venue, particularly, you know, that it's outside and they have a tent. They do pretty much everything for you. They handle the food, so handle the decor, as well as coordinating and planning. It all comes with the package that we got there. So we kind of got like a one-stop shop. We don't have to worry about too much. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to be doing my makeup for my wedding. I do feel confident in my makeup skills. However, I'm not a makeup artist, and my everyday makeup, as y'all can see, it's not event makeup. It's very much everyday natural makeup that you would see on people, you know, every day going to work, going about their life. It's not event like. And I don't know yet if it's something that I want to tackle, because I would definitely have to practice a lot. I would have to buy a lot of new products, and I'm just not quite sure yet if that is the route that I'm going to go. Now that I'm looking into it, it's really, really expensive. The price for like them doing the makeup and the hair on the day of, it's fine. I don't mind that. But to me, I just feel like $300 for a trial on hair and makeup, it's just a little bit excessive. Like, I get it. Those are people's services and it's their livelihood. But for me, it's just like, I don't want to pay that much just for the trial. So if I do a trial, maybe it'll be on the day of like my bridal party or engagement photos or something like that. I don't think it would be engagement photos because those are already coming up at the end of this month, and I don't know if I'll find somebody by then. I actually don't want my hair and makeup to look exactly the same in my engagement photos as they do on my wedding day. So even though we are having a wedding, we're not going to be doing bridesmaids and groomsmen, just because I feel like it's an extra added task that can be quite stressful. So we're just going to do a matron of honor and a best man. I feel like that's perfectly fine. If you have bridesmaids and groomsmen, that's great. Love that for you. It's just not the route that we're gonna go. Plus, you just have to get so many more other photos in, and I don't want to be away from my guests that long taking a million photos. So we'll see how it goes. And I also still don't even know if I'm gonna go to cocktail hour yet, because I've just been seeing so much content around, you know, weddings and all this stuff. Because once you start doing all the research and searching things on Google and TikTok and Instagram, you start getting all the ads and all that type of content around weddings. I saw that this one bride on TikTok was saying that she doesn't know why she was so adamant about going to her cocktail hour because she was just getting pulled in every direction. It was like she was a celebrity, and that does make a lot of sense because everybody is there for you on that wedding day. And honestly, I don't know if I want to get pulled in every direction at cocktail hours, so I don't even know yet right now that's something that we're gonna do. And I feel like sometimes it turns into this whole thing where it's about everyone else, but I just want to make sure that I am present with gonna be my husband then, which is crazy to say. I can't believe I'm getting married and then I'm gonna be a wife. I was talking to my mom about that and I was like, can you believe I'm gonna be a wife? And my parents are awesome. They're super happy and excited for us and very supportive. And if it wasn't for our parents, we would not be having a wedding like what we're having. So we're so grateful and blessed for our parents. We truly have some of the best parents ever, and I couldn't be happier for the parents that we were both given. Side note, I've been loving this new blush. This is the Road Toasted Teddy. It's everything that everybody was saying that it was. I did talk about this in my last video that I might be getting it, and I did get it, and yeah, I love it. It's the perfect terracotta shade, everyday shade for me. In terms of my style, what I'm going for the wedding, I would say it's very classic, elegant, and romantic. I want the day to feel very elegant but ethereal at the same time, and that's what I'm gonna go for my makeup as well and my hair. And I just feel like that vibe matches really well with the dress that I chose for my ceremony. And I'm still not exactly sure if I'm gonna do a second dress just because I love my ceremony dress so much, and also I don't know, I'm not sure yet, but I do think that my ceremony dress might be a bit heavy to wear all day. I feel like it seems really fun to change, and it's your wedding day, why not wear as many things as you want to? You're only going to be doing this hopefully one time, so I kind of want to do all the things now that I'm actually having a wedding. I should just do everything. Like, it's my rite of passage. I should get a reception dress, I should have a bridal party, I should do this, I should do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do a bachelorette trip just because I don't have bridesmaids, so I don't know if that's one thing I might not do, but I might just go on a trip with my mom and my matron of honor. Yeah, if there's any brides out there and y'all have any tips or just like advice, things that you wish you would have done or things you feel like you could have left out of your wedding day, I want to hear all the things. Let me know. Please leave all your comments below. I'd be happy to chat. I also know that everybody is different. Everybody has things that are more important to them than others. Like for me, I don't think we're gonna get a videographer. I do believe we're gonna get a wedding content creator just because I do want a lot of videos and photos in the aspect ratio of a phone. I think that's 9:16. I did get a new brow gel, the Rare Beauty brow gel that I kept hearing so much about, and I do really like it so far. It has a nice grip to it, but it's not stiff feeling, not as stiff feeling as some others. I'll explain it. I guess you can call it like a flexible hold brow gel, but it really does hold your brows up. And I think I like how kind of thick it is. It's not watery or serum-y. It's like a true gel. It feels like almost like a gel slash pomade, but it is clear. In my last video, I did talk about the Surratt eyelash curler. Unfortunately, I had to return it because it was actually curling my lashes too much. My eyelashes are not completely straight because I do have curly hair, so they do have a little bit of a curl to them. So I don't need them fully curled out like this. I just need a little bit of a lift. And I don't know, it was just curling them way too much to the point where they were like curling over. And it was actually making my eyelashes look shorter than longer. So I took that back and I actually ended up getting the Shiseido one, and I think I'm liking this one more because it's a little bit of a lighter curl, and some people do compare the two, but I think I am preferring this one, and I just don't hold it too long or pump it too much, like I said, because I just don't need that much of a curl. Going in with this YSL mascara. It's not my favorite, but it is really nice and volumizing. You want a very voluminous if you want a very voluminous lash, I would recommend this one. I don't think I really showed y'all my ring. So my ring, if it focuses, is an elongated cushion. I think it's right under 3 carats, and I'm obsessed. It is what I wanted. If you're thinking about getting engaged, I would recommend that you go and try on rings, just because what I thought I wanted is not actually what I wanted or what I thought looked good on me. And I do think that you should be involved, or at least it's something that I recommend, in the ring purchasing buying process, because nobody wants to get a ring that they don't like, and then you also don't want to hurt your partner's feelings. I do think it's better that you know what you like. Even if you want to like go try on rings by yourself, just go try them on by yourself, and then you can tell your partner, this is what I like, these are the types of styles or shapes that I like. If we're gonna talk about getting engaged, can you look into these for me? This represents your love to me, but I don't like it. Nobody wants to tell their partner that. It will make a world of a difference for you. For lips today, I'm just gonna go on with the Glossier Ultra Lip and Cachet. I haven't worn this in a while, but it is one of my all-time favorite lip products and colors. That completes today's look on a little update about my life. Well, big update about my life that I'm so excited about. And I'll catch y'all next time.